Tangerine.
The Tangerine Automation Interface replaces your existing console computer and brings automation control directly into the DAW. At the center of this system is the INJEKTOR application. This background software manages all data communications between the console, the interface, and our INJEKTOR plugins. Two distinctive plugins are available, the MotherShip and the Single Channel plugin. Let's see these two plugins in action in a Pro Tools environment. So right here I have a mix session open in Pro Tools. I already went ahead and mapped one-to-one all outputs to the console. It's important to normalize all outputs to 0 dB so that they come into the right level for the console. I already have a master track created and its automation mode is set to touch. So I'm going to go ahead and insert the TaiMotherShip plugin. Here we go, so this one's already ready to use. As you can see, our faders are already controlling Pro Tools. I'm going to go ahead and set the MotherShip to preview mode. What this will do is allow me to use the fader status switch on each channel to toggle between write automation or off. So since I want to tape out a first pass of my mix, I'm going to show you guys the automation lanes for the first channel of the mixer. Now, this isn't strictly necessary for use, but for the purpose of this demonstration, it'll show you guys what's going on. So I'm going to go ahead and write. There we go. Pro Tools has started. And as you can see, all the automation writes I make are being printed directly to the track. So if I want, I can write the current value all the way to the end of the session by going to the Automation Control panel and using the Write on Stop feature. Which means that, as you can see, the value is written to the end of the track. Now, all I have to do is play back the mix, and over here, the faders play back exactly what I wrote. Yeah, it really is that simple. So when I'm satisfied with my rough mix, I can go to Save As and save it as the first version of our project. So now for a different fader status mode, if I wanted to go from read mode to touch mode, because I'm already in read mode right now, by switching modes, the tracks will now switch to touch. I can now play back my mix and rewrite certain parts of the mix. As we can see, there are also some features to protect certain parts of the mix. So if I don't want cuts to be erased, I can disable write to the cuts. And it's the same thing if I want to tape cuts without affecting the faders. We can disable write to the faders. So this has been our demonstration of TaiMotherShip. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below or contact us through our website, THD-Labs.com. Thanks.